For this part, we will introduce the recorder module in calibrations. We select the recorders. We can find the default recorders. Now it is the activity we would like to a manual recorder. And that we can support two type of format. Default is the MATLAB file, and also we can log as the NDF file. For the NDF file, we can select the different versions we want to generations. So for this type, we would like to start the online calibrations. Which kind of signal we would like to log in. So we will go to the manual list. For this manual list, we can run in with these buttons online calibrations. We can see some details from the graphics. So for example, in here, we can see some details in here. If we want to log these files, this signal into files, we use these buttons to start. Now we're using this button to start. So for these signals, we'll log into the map file. So we can also see here is the tip. Now we just waiting maybe a little bit, and then we just stop the calibrations. It will show, for example, I just type is the test1 command. Now we can find these map files. We can see here is the command we use in the test1. For these map files, for example, I just removed the all signal data in the graphics because we can use these files to replay it. Before replay, we need to start the project. So we would like to start the project because this replay is the offline replay. We using this button, replay this file. We can find some details because we have already logging from this time. The signal have already logged into the map file, so we can reply. For this map file, we can also export for NDF file, or we can log into the MATLAB software. So it is for the recorders for calibrations. Is the option 1. We also have the option 2 because we have the different scenarios. For example, we change the signal settings. For example, we connect the ECU. We not only have the database sending out. For example, we sending out some message out with the database DBC. We can check and start the ECU at the same time. For now, we can see some scenarios in the traffic. We can see some signals is come from the DBC, so the signals have already changed from the ECU. Just as the example, and here is the SCP data is already using the upload. We can observe. Now we just check the graphic. We can see the calibration signals and also signal from the DBC. At the same time, we can observe how we can save this signal in the same files. Now we will use our bus log. For this bus log, I've already created a new one. For now, for this new one, we can using this new one to running. For example, we switch the auto start, and we will go to the stimulations signal variable because for this module, bus logging module, we save the BLF file. So we will use another features in the stimulators. It's the system variable. It's the internal variable. We can find all the signals from the calibrations in A2 file. We can see it in this internal variable, and we can see some signals is the sign something like to save or logging. We can use this type to enable logging. So it's the way we select the it's come from the calibration signals. We enable logging is in logging into the BLF file. So let's go to the BLF file module. Bus logging have already running. We would like to stop at this time. We can save another BLF file. For this BLF file, we can check. We also can remove the old signal data. For this BLF file, we can replay these files. It is offline replay. We can check. So let's go back to the graphics. It is also save the signals value from the calibrations, and also I've already saved the signals from the CAN signals is come from the DBC signal. So it's another options we can save the different signals come from different module. It is come from the database. It's come from the A12 file from calibrations.